This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the exact spot. Eye level center is about 57 inches from the floor, so mark that first. Measure the frame's center and the distance from the top to the hanging hardware. This gives you the anchor offset. Once you have that offset, transfer it to the wall and make a light pencil mark. Use a level to square the mark horizontally with nearby features, because a tiny error now makes the whole piece hang crooked later. Now you install the hardware that supports the frame. Pick the right anchor for your wall type, toggle for hollow walls, plastic anchor for light loads, or screw into a stud for heavy frames. Drill a pilot hole the anchor's size, then tap the anchor in until it's flush. Drive the screw or hook, leaving a small gap, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch, so the wire or D-ring can catch. Tighten until secure, but don't over-tighten and deform the anchor. Hang the frame and step back to assess alignment. Use a level to confirm it sits straight. If the frame leans, adjust the wire or D-ring so tension centers the piece and test again. For minor tilts, insert a thin cardboard shim or adhesive felt at the top rear corner to stabilize it. If the frame slips down the screw over time, swap to a stronger anchor or add a second hanging point spaced evenly. This distributes weight and prevents rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.